way. He knows what will happen and he's taking it home. They'll auction off the old family farm. And just like those buzzards up there in the sky, the land sharks are waiting for him to die. Yeah. There'll be a house in Dish where he used to grow corn. I can't remember if that's right. When they auction off the old family farm, they'll tear down the old home built in 1902. Tear down the barn and the old corn crib too. They'll put $250,000 homes, half-acre yard. They auction off the old family farm. And just like those buzzards up there in the sky, the contractors are waiting for him to die. They'll clear cut the timber, build a damn dollar store. When they auction off the old family farm, while he's out doing his feet and shoulders, he looks up toward heaven and talks to the Lord. He says, Lord, if you're with me, take me by the arm and let me die on the old family farm. As kids are all talking of the money they'll make, and they're already planning the trips they will take. There'll be a sale next Sunday down at the farm, and they'll auction off the old family farm. But he'll be up in heaven